Okay, please join. Okay, I will start with the okay. I need more number of students. Please, the number is very less. Please tell your friends to uh, join the class. It's my request. Yes. Okay. Let's begin with the class. We were discussing. Okay. We were discussing previously, right? That is we discussed embedded versus general computing systems, right? So the difference. We discussed the same concept in the first module also. Difference between microprocessor and the microcontroller. I hope you remember this, right? History of embedded systems. Again, classification of embedded systems, major application areas of embedded systems, purpose of embedded systems. Embedded system ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳು ಏನು ಅಂತ we discuss. Next is core of an embedded system, including all types of process and the controllers. Last class we started, and we are left with some points, and let me complete that first, right? Yes. So yeah, yesterday we were discussing the difference between the hardware architecture and the von Neumann architecture. We saw that again, the little endian, the big endian, right? So in the little endian, what happens? The lower bit of data is stored at the lower order address, and vice versa in big endian. That is, lower bit of data is stored at a higher order of the address. So that is exact. You may get a question on this. Briefly explain the uh, little and in the big Indian concepts with the neat diagram and all with the examples. Okay, I had shown that last class. Next, load store operation and instruction pipelining ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ, right? So this is one simple example where you can observe here load R1 comma X, again the load R2 comma X, again the load R3 R1 R2, again the store ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Load operation, already we know that we use an instruction called as LDR. Okay, we use an instruction called as LDR. Again, to store the data, we use the STR. We discussed it in class. Okay, so here X, Y, Z are representing the memory location. Here I want to transfer the contents. I want to add the X contents and Y contents and store the result in R3, and from R3 to the Z, right? So here observe X representing one address. It has got contents, right? And Y address, it contains data. Again, Z, I need to store the result into Z. So load operation is what? It is getting data from the memory location into a register, and the store is what? From register to the memory location, right? So this is one simple example. Load store architecture, how does that work? Observe here. Load R1 comma X, get the contents of X into the R1. Load R2 comma Y, get the contents of Y into the R2. Add R1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ R1 ಮತ್ತೆ R2 ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? R3 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ R3 ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ನಾನು Z. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ.